Hey everybody, welcome back to the Jedi Training Academies. I'm Liam, here to show you guys how to get a good pitching form. So, in my throwing video, click here if you haven't seen it yet. You're going to want to throw your 4-seam. 4-seam or 2-seam. Those are the best options here, okay? So what you're going to want to do is, I'm going to step back. This is going to be my rubber. You want a rubber about a good at least 6 inches of material that you can use to push off of. I've got a little divot here, so that is going to work fine. So this is going to be my rubber. I'm going to step on it. I'm going to stand on it. Now this is what you call your wind-up position. Okay? So the wind-up, you're going to take your ball, you're going to come set, and you're not going to do any throwing. That'll be a later video. So what you want to do is you're going to come set. Once you come set, you can't move. You have to stay in this position unless you take your right foot, or whichever foot is your predominant foot. So mine is my right, I'm right-handed, so I'm going to take my right foot off. That's how you stop the play. Otherwise, you can get called what's called a balk called on you. What that is it's an illegal movement. So you can't just turn around and pick off to somebody if you guys are doing leadoffs. In your guys' age, you're probably not going to be in Little League. You'll most likely not be doing leadoffs. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come set, bring the ball in your glove to your chest, okay? Now you're going to take one step to your left, half step, okay? You're going to now pivot your back foot, keeping it on the rubber, because you're going to want to use that to push off. Hair out of the way. You're going to bring your foot up, you're going to raise your leg here. Now what you're going to want to do, here's where that push off comes into play. You're going to push off your rubber and transition to your throwing mechanics. Click here if you haven't seen it yet. So, it should look like this. Okay, now you're not actually going to throw it unless you have somebody to receive it, or you have a pitch back that'll throw it back. Okay, so. Now, the farther out that you launch yourself, pushing off, that's going to add extra velocity, short for velo. You'll hear often it's called velo. You'll get more velo to your ball, making it go faster. And once you get older and you start throwing in some nastier pitches like curveballs, changeups, cutters, sliders, stuff like that, that's going to add extra movement to them, which is really good for anybody in 50, 70, all the way through college and MLB. That's going to be really helpful. So what you're going to want to remember is to push off. Pushing off is your biggest key. Now there's a second pitching form that you can go from. That's what we call the stretch. So you're going to want to put your dominant foot on the rubber, and you're just going to come out. You're going to take about 2 times the width of your shoulders. Okay? Now you can stand like this. You can stand here. You can stand like this. You can stand like this. Here. It looks weird, but okay. You can stand however you want. And then you come set, just like on the, from your windup. You're going to come set, bring it to your center, and instead of stepping to your left, you're just going to come straight up, and you're going to push off and throw from there. Pretty simple. So what it looks like from the stretch, I like to sit here, I fumble around, I find my grip, I'm set, leg up, push off, and go. Again, the farther you push off, the more velocity you'll get behind your ball, making it faster and more deadly. Signing off for now. Catch you guys later on the next video. Make sure you subscribe and check out my other videos here. See you guys later.